Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a good day. We are on the home stretch for simplifying rational expressions. So over the last 2 days of this, which is going to be what, Wednesday and Friday, we are just going to pull together with our quadratics where a is not 1. And hopefully by now this is going to be pretty straightforward to you. I'm going to do problem 1 right now. Now again, we've been doing this for a while. What do I need to do? I need to simplify the top and bottom and then cancel out what matches. Top is a binomial. I'm going to factor that. This is 2x and this is 2, 3. The greatest common factor, the only thing in common is the 2's. So in my factored form, I'm going to have 2 outside. The things left over here is an x. And here is a 3, and so that's all that's left over inside. Now let's move on to the denominator. I have a quadratic where a is 2, b is 7, c is 3. So in my x box, I'm going to have a times c at the top, b at the bottom. Well, a times c, if a is 2 and c is 3, a times c is 6. 6 on the top, 7 on the bottom. Now, what's going to work here? To make 6, I'm either going to use 2 and 3 or 6 and 1. If we use 2 and 3, well, the bottom's going to be 5, and that's not what I want. So obviously, I'm going to use 6 and 1 instead. And we check, is 6 times 1 6? Yes. Is 6 plus 1 7? Yes. So my x is correct. It doesn't mean that's my answer. Remember, when a is not 1, we next need to go to the box. So here's my box. And what goes in the box, the first term goes in the upper left, 2x squared. The last term goes in the bottom right, which is positive 3. And then the two numbers here become 6x and 1x. Now let's go ahead and set this up. I need to find the outsides. Well, to make 2x squared, the only way to do that with whole numbers is going to be 2x and x. So I have to decide if I want my 2x on the front or in the top. And let me just say I don't want my 2x on the front, because if I have 2x here, I'm going to have trouble making this 1x. So let's instead put the 2x on the top, regular x here, and we'll finish this off. To turn 2x into 6x, I multiply by positive 3. To turn x into 1x, well, that's not really a change. I'm just going to multiply by 1. So then my denominator in factored form becomes those outsides, x plus 3 and 2x plus 1. And I want to say that most of you are getting that right pretty much every time, so that's great. I'm factored and I'm ready to cancel. And hopefully it's obvious. The thing that cancels here is the x plus 3 on the top and the bottom, which leaves me with the final answer. All that's left on the top is 2. All that's left on the bottom is 2x plus 1. Alright, so that's how we simplify that rational expression. So 1 through 4 are similar in this way, and then 5 through 12 are a little bit different, so I will go ahead and make a little video for 5 as well. Alright, hope you're having a great day.